Welcome to Data Insights. Today I'm going to show you how to print the AVID report in Data Insights. To log in, use the username and password that you usually use in Infinite Campus. Once you're signed in, click on the dashboard icon. And click on the Reports dashboard. Once you click on the Reports dashboard, you will see the AVID report available. Click on the AVID report. The AVID report has two parameters: the school year and the school. Depending on the school that you are working with, you might have multiple schools listed. On this particular case, I will select Southwest High School. Once selected, click on Submit. Wait for the report to get generated. This AVID secondary site data collection answer sheet will provide us the answer key on submitting the AVID data. You also have the option to save it to PDF. You can save a copy of the file or print the file if needed. This is how you generate the AVID secondary site data collection answer sheet in Data Insights.